Bear Kids.
Subscribe to watch more videos.
Size comparison. Once, in a pleasant forest, there lived some small animals in one part of the forest and big animals in another part. They lived so happily in their places. The small animals said, "We are happy only because the big animals doesn't come to our place." They decided not to let any big animal in their place. One day, the children of big animals, monkey and wild boar, visited the small animals' place. They saw the small animals playing happily. Monkey and wild boar were jealous of the small animals being happy. They planned to spoil their happiness. Monkey and wild boar went to their parents to say about this. The little wild boar ran fast to inform the big animals. Bear asked, "What happened?" The little wild boar said, "I saw the small animals happily enjoying themselves in their place. We must do something to stop them being happy." On hearing the little wild boar, the big animals were into a deep discussion to spoil their happiness. All the big animals were giving an idea each and was making a big confusion at that place. They made so much of noise. A gorilla who was sleeping got disturbed by the others and angrily came to them. It asked, "Why are you all shouting? What is the problem?" They said, "Small animals are all happy enjoying in their place. So we are making a plan to spoil it." Gorilla said, "Ho ho, is that so? I have an idea for it." It called the little gorilla. The little gorilla brought a magic tab with it. Big gorilla said, "With this magic tab, we could spoil the happiness of the small animals." The other animals asked, "How can it be done with a tab?" Gorilla said, "This magic tab can make them disappear. Little gorilla will execute this plan." The next day, little gorilla went to the small animal's place. It said, "I have come to your place to host a magic show. I need a place to stay." The other animals said, "A magic show? Wow, we wish to see it. We will arrange a place for you." The small animals were excited and arranged a place for the little gorilla to stay. Rabbit showed the place for it. Rabbit asked to the other small animals, "Hey, gorilla knows many magic it seems. Shall we go and see his magic?" Dog and pig accepted with rabbit and all the three went to see the magic. Dog asked, "Can you show us a magic please?" Gorilla was happy to hear it and said, "Take that card and insert it in the tab." As soon as Dog did so, the three animals were captivated by the tab and landed in another forest. Gorilla was so happy. The other little animals started searching for the three lost animals. Rat said, "I saw them going to meet gorilla at last. I will go and search that place." Rat then went there but couldn't find them. Gorilla was also not there. Rat found a tap and a card on the table. Rat tried to insert the card and pressed the OK button. When it did so, Rat disappeared from that place and reached the forest where its friends went. Rat saw its friends there. They were in an unconscious state. Rat thought to wake them. It found a bottle on the table. Thinking it to be water, Rat sprinkled it on them. The three small animals now grew bigger and was huge in size. They said, "We are hungry." Rat looked around and found some cakes on the table. It gave those cakes to them. After eating the cakes, the three animals became smaller than the rat. Rat was confused on seeing everything. At that time, there came a butterfly. It gave 2 chocolates to the rat and said, "One of these chocolates will make them bigger and the other one tinier." It said so and went from there. Rat then gave the chocolate to them. On eating it, the 3 animals returned to their original size. Next, there came a big dinosaur and said, "Aha, you are all going to be my food for the day." Rat said, "Friends, don't worry, I will see to this dinosaur." Rat then sprinkled the magic potion to become bigger. Dinosaur grew bigger and its head struck to the bridge there. Rat and its friends escaped from that forest and went to their place. They said about everything to their other friends. They decided to be united from then on. The 3 animals asked, "How did you bring us back to the correct size?" Rat said, "I divided both the chocolates equally and gave it to you. That's why you were able to turn to your actual size." The other animals appreciated the cleverness of Rat. All the animals lived so happily. Kids, you should always be united with your friends and family. Bye-bye, kids.
Subscribe to watch more videos.